Alright, so today we're working on the majestic Grand Marquis Mercury. This is also the same as the Crown Victoria by Ford. And we're gonna change this tail light so the cops don't pull you over for a broken tail light. You know how that is. Alright, so we're gonna start off right inside here. And there's this little knob right there. Boom. I'm going to jump in there and grab that. So that just unthreads right there like that. And that's just holding the fabric on there. And then, yeah, you can see those, you got a bolt right there. We got a bolt here and a bolt here. 3 bolts, and then this cable just slides through. So we'll pop over to the other side and get that taken care of. All right, and so we got our bolts off, all 3 of them.
There's another Mercury Grand Marquis.
You can see
Dude's balling.
we got another Marquis over there. Well, we'll get into that later. Just such a wonderful car. Great piece of American engineering. All right, so we got all 3 of our bolts off. Let's pop this tail light out. And so as we gently just pull this, that just pops right out there. And then these tail lights, we got our turn signal and our just tail light, a regular brake and tail light. They just rotate out. So we're gonna turn that. It's gonna be counterclockwise. Boom, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And then that bulb just pulls right out. We don't want to touch that guy, but that's how you do it. And then you pop that back in and throw her back in. And you can see, woo, sorry about that, going on a ride. Boom, those bolt holes bolts line up. We'll throw our bolts back on, tuck this carpet back in, and that's it. Any words about the Marquis, Marshall?
They don't make them like they used to.
No, sir, they don't. It's just a wonderful car.